balloon breathing. Find a quiet place to stand or sit. Make your back nice and tall. Place your hands around your mouth, as if you were about to blow up a balloon. Take a deep breath in through your nose and move your hands in as you imagine your balloon getting smaller. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Start to spread your hands out as if you are blowing up a great big balloon. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth as you blow up the big balloon. 1, 2, 3. This time, let's make an enormous balloon. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out gently as you imagine your balloon growing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your mind is ready for learning.